just received my alert this morning. My money just landed. My YouTube money just landed, and guys, I am super excited. So YouTube actually showed me notification yesterday that my money was sent, but I was actually waiting for it this morning just for me to take my phone, check my money has landed. This is the same thing that can happen to you if you are not giving up on your channel. Yes, there are different up and down. There are problems, there are obstacles that are going to be standing and that will not be allowing you to create content. But one of the most beautiful things that can actually help you strive really hard on this YouTube street is when you leave all of those up and down and focus in creating your content only. Try your possible best to get monetized. There was a period I was not even getting $10, $50, $60 every single month. I have to wait for like 3 months before I'll be able to cash out just simple $100. My first YouTube paycheck, it took me 6 good months for me to get my first YouTube paycheck, which is $116, and then they took out their own parts and then gave me the remaining one. But today I am here getting something out of YouTube. That is because I never give up. This is a call to action and a call to reminder that if you've not getting subscribers, if you've not gotten watch hours, what are you waiting for? Join our Telegram group where people can also grow. You can still grow your subscribers count from our comment sections by connecting to people genuinely. And how do you connect to people genuinely? You watch their videos, you support their channel, you subscribe, and then you comment, and then you turn on notification bell, and they're also going to be doing same for you. So, and I also want you to know that yes, definitely some of your subscribers will be dropping because there are some subscribers that YouTube call inactive subscribers. But it doesn't mean you should stop doing what you know how to do best. The most important thing on this YouTube street is get your channel monetized. I've also been able to film a video on how you can get your 4,000 watch hour, and I believe that it is not going to be difficult for you if you put in your effort, if you put in the work. Yes. And if you're monetized and you're not getting the coins, it doesn't mean that YouTube is giving up on you. It simply means that you need to step up your game. Step up your game. You are the brand yourself. You are the only one that can encourage yourself. You are the only one that can do everything you want to do yourself. Do not give up on your YouTube channel. YouTube is not easy. YouTube is stressful. YouTube is draining. But the good part is, you see that coins coming in dollars. And when I saw that the money landed in dollars, I already did my calculation, convert to this today's rate. And I know that it is something I'm grateful for. It is something that my job cannot give me when I was working. You understand? There's something that I cannot just naturally sit down and get at the end of the month. And I knelt down in my room and I told God, thank you for loving me too much. Thank you for making me knowing YouTube. Thank you for making me being a YouTuber. Thank you for giving me video ideas. So it can still happen to you. And if you guys do not know, let's make it clear. We are going to be having a YouTube masterclass where I'll personally teach you how you can be able to stream your playlist. Apart streaming your playlist, I will also give you an opportunity to ask me those trending questions that you have been dying to ask. I'll also be able to share 1 or 2 ideas that has really helped me here to stand out on YouTube. Like, this is absolutely free masterclass because the only thing I'm charging you is 5,000 naira. With 5,000 naira, you'll be able to access this masterpiece. Now, what are you supposed to do? If you check in the description box, I'm going to be pinning my mail in the comment section, fitonaja3195@gmail.com. Send us a mail and tell us that you want to join our coaching class. Yes, tell us you want to join. Now we are going to reply to your mail and we are going to be adding you up before on the 7th of next month to a particular WhatsApp group. These are where you also build engagement. These are where you also build audience. These are where you also build relationship, friendship, and so on and so forth. So this is a class that you should not miss out for. It is just 5,000 naira. People are registering already, and I know that it's going to be a big opportunity for you. Anyways, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yes, with no further ado, I do add like policy in my videos. I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.